Hello everyone. Actually, we are solving some practice questions on this soil water relationships. So this is the last question that I am solving in soil water relationships. So after solving this question, I'll solve all the previous year GATE questions which has been asked from this soil water relationships. So like this way only, I'll solve each and every previous year question from GATE from scratch, so that you will be able to solve each and every question from the soil water relationship. So this soil water relationship unit is very important. As I have told you, definitely 1-2 marks question will come from this soil water relationship chapter in GATE examination. So let us solve this question. So as the way we are solving, first we will be writing the given data. In its natural condition, a soil sample has a mass of 2290 grams. So what has been given in the question? Mass he has given. Mass of the soil 2290 grams. 2290 grams. And a volume of 1.15 into 10 power of minus 3 meter cube. So total volume also he has given. How much? 1.15 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. After being completely dried in an oven, the mass of the sample is 2035 grams. That means he has kept in the oven. If you keep in the oven, then we will be getting dry mass of soil. Dry mass of soil. So MS I am denoting. Mass of dry soil is equal to 2035 grams. 2035 grams. And also he has given the value of specific gravity of solids is 2.68. So GS is equal to 2.68. 2.68. What has been asked in the problem? Bulk density we have to calculate, unit weight we have to calculate, water content, void ratio, porosity, degree of saturation, air content. So as we have written the given data, we'll solve each and every term individually. So first one, what has been asked in the problem? So what is bulk density? Bulk density. Bulk density is equal to mass by volume. Mass by volume. So the difference between density and unit weight is density is equal to mass by volume, unit weight is equal to weight by volume. Density is equal to mass by volume, unit weight is equal to weight by volume. So mass, so bulk density is equal to total weight by total volume. Total weight by total volume. This total mass, bulk density 2290 divided by 2290 divided by 1.15 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 1.15 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 2290 divided by 1.15 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So the density is coming around, the bulk density is equal to 1991.304 kg per meter cube. I am converting into kg per meter cube. Okay. So next B. So bulk density we have calculated. Now unit weight. Unit weight is equal to weight by volume. Weight by volume. So W is equal to M into Z. M into Z. So this mass by volume, that is bulk density, that we have already calculated, that is how much? 1991.304. 1991.304 kg per meter cube into Z value, acceleration due to gravity. He has not mentioned anything, so we will be taking 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. So 1991.304 into 9.8 divided by meter cube into kg meter per second square. kg meter per second square. This kg meter per second square is nothing but we can write Newton is equal to 1 kg meter per second square. So unit weight is equal to 1991.304 into 9.8. So this is coming around 19514.78 Newton per meter cube. If you convert it into kilonewton per meter cube, then it will be 19.51 kilonewton per meter cube. So now two unknowns we have solved. One is the bulk density and second one is the unit weight. Now third one is the water content. Third one is the water content. Water content, how we can calculate? He has given the mass of the dry soil and total mass we have. So mass of wet soil minus dry soil will give you the mass of water divided by mass of dry soil. From there we will get water content. So water content is equal to mass of wet soil. Mass of wet soil will be 2290 minus mass of dry soil. Mass of dry soil will be 2035 divided by mass of dry soil will be 2035. Now I am calculating 2290 minus 2035 divided by 2035. So 0.1253, that is nothing but 12.53%. Now again what has been asked? Calculate the void ratio. So void ratio we know that E is equal to G gamma W by gamma D minus 1. G gamma W by gamma D minus 1. So E is equal to, G value he has given 2.68. So gamma W is equal to 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube we are considering, since gamma W value is not given. So gamma D is equal to what we can write? Gamma D is equal to gamma by 1 plus W. Gamma means bulk density by 1 plus water content. Bulk density we have already calculated. Okay, bulk density, bulk unit weight we have to take. Bulk unit weight, so 19.51. So since we are considering all in unit weights, so here also we are considering unit weights only. 19.51 kilonewton per meter cube divided by 1 plus 0.1253 minus 1. So this is nothing but we have formula gamma D is equal to gamma B by 1 plus W. That is what we have done here. 2.68 into 9.81. So 26.29. This upper value is 26.29. 26.291. 19.51 divided by 1 plus 0.1253. So this value is 17.337. So if we can able to solve 26.291 divided by 17.337 minus 1. So E is coming around 0.516. So void ratio is equal to 0.516. So void ratio we have calculated. So next one, porosity we can easily calculate, since we know void ratio. N is equal to E by 1 plus E. 0.516 divided by 1 plus 0.516. So 0.34. How we have calculated porosity? Since we have the relationship between void ratio and porosity. Void ratio and porosity. Next, again, what has been asked in the question? Degree of saturation also we have to calculate. I think this is D, right? This is E. E is porosity. E is porosity. Okay. Next, F is degree of saturation. S, how can we calculate? G into water content divided by E. G into water content divided by E. This G value is how much? 2.68 he has given. Water content is how much? Water content just now we have calculated 0.1253. So divided by E value how much? E value is 0.516. So S is coming around 0.6507. That means 65.07% degree of saturation. So the final thing what we have to calculate? Air content we have to calculate. So air content AC is equal to 1 minus S. 1 minus S, this formula we know. 1 minus 0.6507. 0.3493. That means 34.93% air content is there in the sample. 34.93% air content is there in the sample. So let us quickly recollect what we have done. So in this problem, a wet soil sample he has given, its mass he has mentioned and volume he has mentioned. After drying in the oven, the dry weight also he has mentioned and specific gravity of the soil also he has mentioned. Now how we have calculated? First we have calculated the bulk density. How we have calculated? Total mass to the total volume. That will give you the bulk density. And second one, unit weight. How we have calculated? Unit weight is equal to weight by volume. So in the weight by volume, weight W is equal to mg. So mass by volume density we have multiplied with z value, acceleration due to gravity. So we have calculated the unit weight also. So water content, how we have calculated? Total mass minus mass of dry soil divided by mass of dry soil. From there we got water content. And void ratio, how we have calculated? We have the relation E is equal to Z gamma W by gamma D minus 1. So how we have calculated gamma D? From gamma value, gamma B value. Since we know gamma D is equal to gamma B by 1 plus W. Gamma B is nothing but the bulk unit weight of the soil that we have already calculated. From there we calculated porosity, since we know the relationship between void ratio and porosity. So next one, fifth one, we have calculated degree of saturation from Sehwag. E into S is equal to G into W. G we know, water content we know, E we have calculated, degree of saturation also we have calculated. Air content, how we have calculated? Since we know the relationship between air content and degree of saturation, S is equal to 1 minus AC. So these are all the practice questions from these textbooks, Arora and Gopal Ranjan and Rao. If you want to practice some more questions, you can refer some textbooks. So after solving some example problems from the textbook, then you approach the previous year GATE questions. Anyway, I'll be solving all the previous year GATE questions, one question by one question. So not required to solve the unsolved problems in textbook. Just solve the example problems in textbook. That will be more than enough, and it will give you the clear-cut idea. Anyway, concepts also I am covering. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you have understood what I have told in this video. So if you feel the content is useful at any point of time, please like my video and subscribe to my channel as well for more upcoming videos. Thank you.